Well, good afternoon all. The time has finally come, not to go to the Alps, but we've rearranged to go to Scotland. Obviously, COVID, quarantine, none of us can afford to be quarantined. Plus, it's not really worth going places when you can't really sort of stop anywhere properly and go out and all the rest of the stuff. So what we've decided is we've booked a few hotels. We're going to go up to the Isle of Skye. And then make our way down. We're going to do it over 5 days. So what I wanted to show you was, now I'm attempting, usually I'll be honest, when I do a video I normally do a dry run. This is going to be pure live, so I'm going to attempt to get all my gear in here, in my my Kriega US 30. Hopefully this will entertain you as much as it does me, and let's see how we get on with this. Okay, so not used this before, so this is a dry run entirely. Let's see how we get on and see if we can get all this in. Obviously on a bike trip you've got to pack as economically as you can, so you know, I've got a few t-shirts, got a few jumpers, but I'm trying to pack for the weather, which is difficult when you go to Scotland, because what is the weather going to do? At least you sort of know when you're going to somewhere like the Alps. You sort of know what you're going to get, but unfortunately we don't really know. I've spoken to a couple of guys that have been touring this week at Scotland, and they said the weather's not bad actually, so I'm hoping it stays that way, but I think we can get a fair bit in here, to be honest. So see how we get on. As you'll notice, the clothes, I've rolled them all already. They say roll them because they take up less room when they're rolled, so that is what I've done. I've followed. Let's put that in a minute, that's a bit big. I'm sure the clothes are going to be screwed up the other end, but we're on a bike trip. Does it matter? Really? Not really, does it? There's actually more room than I anticipated. Cycling shorts, just in case the seat gets too much for me over the period that we're travelling, which you don't know, do you? You know, could well get a little bit painful. My fleece, and bits I'm going to wear tomorrow, I think, apart from this. So that pair of trainers. Actually, we'll put the trainers in the bag. Oh, I've got another jumper actually as well. Plenty of jumpers. How heavy are we? Not too bad. Not too bad at all. The trainers in the bag. I've got the US 10 as well to strap to this, because I've taken a few essentials like punch repair outfits and bits and pieces like that. So yeah, I'm taking that as well. So there you go guys, wet wipes for the reasons. Wow, I think about that is everything I need to fit in. So let's see, get a few folds in that. There you go guys, just want to do a short one on that just to show you, because actually that is pretty impressive. So we've got 4 jumpers, 4 or 5 t-shirts, jeans, trainers, washing gear, a lot of gear in there, and to be honest, it's not actually that heavy either, so it's quite good, quite good. So I've got a US 10 that I'm going to take as well. I'm just putting stuff like my visor cleaner, some spare fuses, and bits and pieces, a couple of Allen keys, which is essential bits of kit I need to take off the bike. But honestly guys, just didn't want to take too long on it, but it was just a quick video to show you how that goes. I might show you a quick clip later on of me putting it on the bike, because I'm going to pack the bike up tonight ready, just so the bike's ready to go, and then I'm ready to scoot off straight away early in the morning, go up via Lincoln and then across over up towards Glasgow, and then stop up near there for the night. I'm going to do some videos on the way up, so, and on the way round as well, and in Skye, and so keep tuned in, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and I'll do some more videos for you. But as you can see, I really recommend the Kriega US 30. It's all them clothes I just had on the floor, they're all in. You see other bits on the floor, but they're for me to wear tomorrow. So all good and fantastic. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.